Okay, today I'm gonna fix this common problem on the Mk4 Golf VAG engine. This is a PD. It's probably the same as many Audis and Skodas, all that sort of stuff. What's happened to me is my brother-in-law, whilst changing the thermostat, snapped off this bit, the dipstick shaft. So I've got a new one, and I'm just going to change it over now. Oh yeah, it's come off from my hand anyway. There you go. That's all off. I should have a bit of rag there. There we go. All off, good. Okay, looks like, I'm not sure if you can see it there. Can you see it there? There you go, a bit closer up. Now, I had to get back home with this, so what we've done, I've basically, so it didn't have oil spurting out, which you probably wouldn't do anyway, but I put on a bit of a one inner tube and a couple of cable ties, which are still here. Cable tie, or zip tie, depends where the order comes from. There you go. That was my extension to keep it on there. Okay, so I've got to get that little bit off there. I think, if you can see the new one, it's just literally a push fit. And I think what happens to these is they become brittle and they can snap off. So that's what's happened here. So I've got to get down here and pull it off without, oops, it's so brittle, without dropping it off into the engine. Brittle. Yeah. It's falling apart, but there's some of it off. I don't know if you can see that, a bit out of focus, eh? And there looks like it's a bit inside. And on the new one, I'll see if I can get to focus my dirty hands. The new one looks like there's a bit. This is the central bit as well, and that's remained in there, which is good. I don't want to push that down really. You can see it. It's slightly caught in there. So it's slightly awkward. No. Oh well, oh no. We're good. Get that delicately out of there. Still, it's on the very edge. There we go. The last bit out of there. Bit of pain in the arse that was. Okay, so this is what we got off. Okay, all those little broken bits. The bit that was on the inside of the metal pipe was this bit of the new one. You can see there's an inner bit there. It's got a double seal. So that's the bit that you've got to be a bit careful with getting out. Okay, so here's a new one. And it should be just a case of popping it back on to just clip over, in theory. That way? No, that way I'd say, with the arrow pointing upwards. So no more bits in there. Yeah, we're clean. Over the top. He says. we're going to click. Come on. That's it. A firm click. And we're on. One new dipstick thing. So it's just a case of putting it all back together now, which literally is like 2 seconds, because slides over, back onto its mounts, like so, and then a little bit higher, and then oil cap back on, dipstick back in, job done.